Welcome to our class 10. Students, today our topic is we are going to discuss the science subject, okay? And we are taking the class 10 and chapter is periodic classification of the element. Science first chapter, science mathematics, science second, science first is there, okay? And we are going to discuss the chapter number second, periodic classification of the elements. Those are coming from the Marathi medium. The chapter second is called periodic classification. दुसरा चॅप्टरचं नाव आहे क्लासिफिकेशन मीन्स मूलद्रव्याचे आवर्त सारणीचे वर्गीकरण. हा जो सेकंड चॅप्टर्स आपण डिस्कस करणार आहोत. So we are going to discuss in these chapters. What are the topics we are going to discuss in this video? The classification of the elements. What first topic we are going to discuss in this video? Classification of the elements. मूलद्रव्याचे वर्गीकरण. And next is the Doberite triads. Okay, students. Doberite triads. Triads means what? त्रिके. डोबेरायनरची त्रिके. हे आपण टॉपिक याच्यामध्ये डिस्कस करणार आहोत. आणि तिसरा आहे न्यूलँड्स लॉज ऑफ द ऑक्टेव्ह्ज. न्यूलँड्स लॉज ऑफ द ऑक्टेव्ह्ज. न्यूलँडची अष्टके. ऑक्टेव्ह्ज मीन अष्टके. These three topics we are going to discuss in this video. So let's start the video. Okay, students. So students, in first topic, classification of the elements. मूलद्रव्याचे काय करायचे आपल्याला वर्गीकरण करायचं आहे. मूलद्रव्याचे वर्गीकरण. Those who are coming from the Marathi medium, they can also watch this video. And those who are coming from the English medium and belong to the Maharashtra, they understand the Marathi language, they can also watch this video. Okay, this is a mixing of Marathi and English. Simultaneously we are going to discuss the Marathi also and English also. So students, so classification of the elements. How to classify the elements? What are the initially scientists discover the elements and they are classified on the basis of the non-metal, metal and metalloids. कशा प्रकारे त्यांनी क्लासिफिकेशन केले विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो? Non-metals and metal and what? Metalloids. How they are classified? Metal. What about non-metal? And what next? Metalloids. Elements are classified initially up to the 9th standard. We have discussed the 9th standard. We are classified the elements as metal, non-metal and metalloids. We have discussed this. In Marathi we call as the metal means dhatu, non-metal means adhatu. Okay students, metal we call in Marathi dhatu, non-metal adhatu, and metalloids means what student? Metalloids means dhatu sadrishya. Okay students, so we are going to classify the elements metal, non-metal and metalloids. मूलद्रव्याचे वर्गीकरण आपण 9वीच्या पाठामध्ये शिकलेलं आहे. चॅप्टर 9वीला आपण धातू, अधातू आणि धातू सदृश्य. So what is mean by metals? Which are these are metals? Say for example, silver is there, student. Gold is there. Silver, gold, these are the etc. These are the metals. So what are the characteristics? Some characteristics, the substance having some characteristics, we belongs to the metals. असे सगळे मूलद्रव्य की त्यांचे कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ते कशामध्ये असतील? मेटल मध्ये. सो व्हाट आर द कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मेटल स्टुडंट्स? we can easily pass the current. Okay students, we can easily pass the current through the metal. Okay, such as gold, silver, copper. These are the metals, and it is a good conductor of electricity, good conductor of the current. Okay students, मराठीमध्ये धातू काय असतात, धातूमधून आपण इझिली काय पास करू शकतो, करंट पास करू शकतो, विद्युत धारा पास करू शकतो आणि हीट पण पास होते धातूमधून. ओके, सो धातूची कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स इज वी कॅन मेक द फॉइल, त्याच्यापासून पातळ पत्रा बनवू शकतो. वी कॅन मेक द वायर फ्रॉम दिस मेटल्स. These are the characteristics of the metals. So we can identify the metal, whether the substance is a metal or not. Okay, we can धातूला आपण तार बनवू शकतो, वायर बनवू शकतो, त्याच्यापासून पत्रा बनवू शकतो, फॉइल्स बनवू शकतो. ते अशा प्रॉपर्टीज जे सॅटिस्फाय करतात ते मेटल मध्ये येतात. ते कॅटेगरी कुठले, ते मेटल, सिल्वर, कॉपर वगैरे आहे. आता नेक्स्ट आहे नॉन मेटल्स. ओके स्टुडंट्स, सो व्हॉट इज अ नॉन मेटल? मराठीमध्ये त्याला अधातू बोलतात. सो इट इज अ बॅड कंडक्टर ऑफ द फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी as well as heat. Those substances which are bad conductor of electricity and bad conductor of the heat, that belongs to the category what? non-metal, अधातू. त्याच्यातून विद्युत धारा जात नाहीये, मराठीमध्ये की त्याच्यातून हीट जात नाहीये, उष्णता जात नाहीये, ते सगळं कशामध्ये येते? सबस्टन्स नॉन मेटल येते. एक्झाम्पल वूड आहे त्याच्यामध्ये स्टुडंट, लाकूड आहे, प्लास्टिक इज देअर. ओके, एटसेट्रा. दीज आर दी नॉन मेटल. बट व्हॉट अबाउट द मेटल? धातू सदृश्य म्हणजे काय की स्टुडंट्स? ते सगळे असे एलिमेंट की ज्याच्यामध्ये दोज एलिमेंट्स वी कॅन ऍक्ट एज अ मेटल फॉर सम सर्टन टेम्परेचर, and if you raise the temperature then become acts as a non-metals. Okay, so low temperature it becomes as a non-metal, and high temperature it becomes what? Metal. Example students, what in this example it has both characteristics, metal as well as non-metal. त्यांच्याकडे दोन्ही पण कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स असतील, मेटलचे पण असतील आणि नॉन मेटलचे पण असतील. तर मेटलॉइड्स मध्ये मराठीमध्ये धातू सदृश्य बोलतात की ज्याच्यामध्ये दोन्ही प्रकारचे कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स असतात, मेटल पण असेल आणि नॉन मेटल पण. जर तुम्ही टेम्परेचर कमी ठेवलं, इफ लो टेम्परेचर इज देअर then it become acts as a non-metal. High temperature is then become acts as a metal. Silicon is there, germanium is there. Silicon, germanium, silicon symbol is Si, germanium G. These are the students metalloids. Okay, we are going to classify elements on the basis of that: metal, non-metal, and metalloids. Dhatu, adhatu, dhatu sadrishya. Okay, students. So let's move towards the next topic, dobereids. So students, next is dobereids. Dobereid is the scientist. He discovered the trides. Tri means what, student? Three. He made a group of 3 elements. In Marathi we called as a dobereichi, dobereiner-ची त्रिकी. Trides means 3 means what? 3. He made the group of 3 elements. What? Group of what, student? 3 elements. 3 मूलद्रव्याचे काय त्यांनी ग्रुप केले, गट केला, ग्रुप केला. ओके, डोबेरायनर is a scientist. He in 1817, German scientist, he discovered correlate the properties of the elements correlate with the atomic mass. According to that, according to Dobereiner, what he decided, he taken what 3 elements, group of 3 elements, okay, and he take the average. He apply the average concept. Okay, in 1817 he has suggested this technique. In 1870 he applied the properties of what, student? Properties of elements correlates with what? Atomic mass. So what is atomic mass? डोबेर अँड सायंटिस्टने काय केलं स्टुडंट्स, जी ॲटॉमिक मास, व्हॉट इज मीन बाय ॲटॉमिक मास? ॲटॉमिक मास मराठीमध्ये अणु वस्तुमान बोलतात त्याला, वस्तुमानांक. सो ॲटॉमिक मासला त्यांनी कोरिलेट केलं and he made a group of elements having middle of this group should be the average of the first and second. Say for example student, he take the elements lithium, sodium and what student? Potassium. So in lithium, sodium, potassium, lithium has atomic mass what? Atomic mass lithium has 6.9. Okay, and potassium has atomic mass is what? 13.1. And if I take the average of that atomic mass, if I take the average of these two, that should be the atomic mass of what? Sodium. That is what? 6.9 plus this 39. It means what? 39 plus 6 is 45. So 45 upon 2, 46 upon 2, and that should be 23.7. So we get the atomic mass, students. Okay, if I take the atomic mass of these lithium and sodium, and that becomes the average of this. Average means what, student? We have taken this average. Average means what? Take the just addition of 39 and 7. This approximately, if we take the 7, 39 and 7. 39 and what, students? We have taken the 7. 39 and 7. So what should we get? 46. Okay, students. How much we get? 46. And if we take 46 upon 2, average means what? Average formula is what, student? A plus B upon 2. This is a formula for average. मराठी मध्ये त्याला काय बोलतात? सरासरी. सरासरी means take the addition of 2 divided by 2. And if we take this, and that should be my, that is a, in this way he arranged the elements. And elements contains only 3 elements are there in the one group. So that's why he called as a triad. त्यांनी 3 एलिमेंटचा ग्रुप केल्यामुळे त्याला नाव का देण्यात आले स्टुडंट? त्रिके. ट्राइड्स. ट्राय मीन्स 3 ग्रुप ऑफ 3 एलिमेंट. त्रिके मीन्स 3 मीन्स 3 मूलद्रव्यांचा गट. पण तो कसा केलेला आहे गट की फर्स्ट एलिमेंट and last element should be the average of that should be the middle. Middle element is what, student? Here sodium. In this way he arranged the elements. Okay, and he use atomic mass. अणु वस्तुमानांची काय केली त्यांनी? सरासरी मांडलेली. atomic mass. Atomic mass means what, student? Atomics, what is mean by atomics for mass? Number of electrons and proton. Number of proton and number of electron. This is nothing but atomic mass, student. मराठी मध्ये अणु वस्तुमानांक म्हणजे काय? प्रोटॉनची आणि इलेक्ट्रॉनची बेरीज करून जे काय येईल ते असं तुमचं ॲटॉमिक मास. ॲटॉमिक मास ऑफ लिथियम इज 6.9, potassium is 39, and if you take the average, that should be my middle of that. That should be my Na. So in this way he arranged the group of the elements and he got the result, but there is a certain limitations are there. He does not get any success, and he arranged the element in the increasing order. What I am saying, increasing order the atomic mass. 6.9 is there. After what? After a bigger number is what? In this, which one is the lesser number, students? Give me the answer in the comment box. Which one is the lesser? So answer is what? 6.9. After the which element you have to arrange in this group? So next is what? 23, because 23 is a bigger than 6.9. Last element is what? 39. In this we arrange the elements. He arranged the element the atomic mass, and middle of this should be the average of that. म्हणजे मराठीमध्ये कसं आहे की ते अरेंज कसे करताना त्यांनी का वापरले? ॲटॉमिक मास. अणुवस्तुमानांकांच्या चढत्या क्रमाने मांडलेले आहे. इन्क्रीजिंग ऑर्डर म्हणजे काय? चढता क्रम. म्हणजे पहिला लहान लहान ॲटॉमिक मास मला नंबर घेतला, म्हणजे अणुवस्तुमानांक ज्याचा लहान आहे तो नंबर घेतला. नंतर काय? 23, नंतर शेवटी काय 31.5 असे ग्रुप करत गेला तो डोबेर आहे, बट ही डज नॉट गेट एनी सक्सेस. Okay students, so in this video we are going to discuss the classification of the element Dobear and triads. So next video we are going to discuss the Newland's law of the octaves, Mendeleev periodic table and modern periodic table. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, okay, Sky Academy, and press the bell icon button to get the more and more video. Thank you for watching this.